Hello and welcome back. A couple of days ago you'd have seen me review these 4 coins in a Christmas past video. They're the Snowmen from 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. This year's Snowman. The one I'm missing is the 2018, which was the very first one, as I don't have that on a blue card and they're not easy to get hold of now either. However, the reason why I bought you, and I'm showing you the same stuff, is have you got these cards? Yeah? Do you want them? If you haven't, because this is a giveaway. There'll be one person and one person only that wins. The draw will be made on the date that I will be showing on the screen. If you are from abroad, don't worry, the competition is still open to you. So to anybody who's a coin collector, if you want these coins, then please enter, and it's very, very simple to enter. All you've got to do is like, comment and be subscribed to the channel. That's all it is. Leave a comment for me, even better, leave a question for me, because I'd like to do a Q&A at some time in the near future. So like, comment, subscribe. I will make the draw, and the draw's information will be coming up on the screen now of when the draw will take place. There you go. So if you want them, it's very simple, as I've said. Like, comment, subscribe, and be subscribed to the channel. And it's that simple. If you're in the USA or if you're in anywhere else in the world, you're still welcome to enter, providing you subscribe to the channel. So, having said that, thank you for watching. Good luck in the draw, and I'll see you very shortly with the results of who's the winner, who the lucky winner is. And until then, from me, bye bye, ta-ra now.